Wow, you would not believe this Datsun. Oh my god, I didn't even think any existed still. Look at this. Look at that. It's a Datsun, man. And it looks intact. Looks like they thrash it as well. I don't think I should be this side of the fence. Look, I'm in with the cars. I've got in a gap over there. Look at this. Oh my good lord. I can't believe how nice this car looks. (1972), that was before I was born. Here you go, details. 1972 Datsun 240Z engine, question mark, 2.8 litre, 6-cylinder modified power, question mark, approximately 225. Seats 2, gear stick, RAF Tornado GR1. Aircon, electric windows, nope. Airbags, ABS, steering disc, nope. Quiet and comfortable, no. Easy to drive and relaxing, no. But will it make you feel epic? Oh yeah. Oh, bless them. Bless them, bless them. Oh, thank you for bringing this here today. I need to thank the person personally. Oh, I can see what they mean. That's not comfortable in there. God bless you. What a car, what a car. I think that's one of the most awesome ones I've seen today.